Hey guys, today I'm showing you guys my slime collection, so let's get right into this video. Sorry guys for the that's it. So my first one is this blue slime. It's really sticky. So I'm not gonna take it out so you guys can see it's all visible. This one is my tofu slime. I added like only a little bit of water at the end. See that it even picks it out because it's so sticky. I gotta put it fast. This is not a good ASMR. And at the end, I'll be telling my shout outs. So stay tuned for that. There's not my second TikTok. Next one is my putty. I still have like a string of slime. Here it is. This is such a better angle because my last one was really bad. It was like that. Oh, that's still good. That was not good. So here it is. So that was that one. It floats. Sorry guys, my partner is not with me today. I don't know, but we couldn't get her over here in time, so. Next one is this yellow slime. Wait, I should show you the one I mixed it with to make it yellow. So here they are. It's like these two pieces. I made them with glitter slime. Glitter glue. Well, we turn 8 ICs. So here it is. Here's the pink one. I call this one Pretty Pink Princess. I don't know why. Now I call it Unicorn Tears. Yeah, this one's Unicorn Tears. This one is so squeaky. So yeah, I'm trying to make this video fast. So I call this one Unicorn Not, and if not, works not, and if not rhymes, then I'm calling it Green Sparkly Clovers. Look how sticky this is, like. So these two colors makes this color, I'm going to show you next, makes this color, makes it gold, or yellow, whatever you guys see it as. I see it as goldish yellow. There's still not much I can do with this one. Next one is this one. It's really big. It has like some other colors in it. But it's fine. Here it is. It's really big, so I'm going to stand up for this. This one was gonna go see my last video where I made all different types of crunchy slimes and mixed it up. That's what this one is. Basically, it has straws, beads, and perler beads, and fishbowl. I don't know if you guys can see the fishbowl. You guys probably can't. I love big slimes like this. Guys, I love this slime. It's really like a brownish color. Here. A really nice slime. Okay. My next slime is this one. Wait, let's get this way. guys know glossy feels like, this is better than glossy, like for real. This is the butter slime and it's glossy. Let me show you again from up here. See, it's really sticky. This one is really glossy because it's like shiny and everything. Again. Yep, that's right. I said again. This slime is going everywhere. Oh my gosh. 2 more slimes to go. This one is a blue one. I really like this one. This one. And it's glossy. Oh no, it's not glossy. This one's really stretchy. This one used to be right here. I actually made a video on making this one, so if you guys want to go check it out, you should. And again, my partner's not here. Last but not least, slime. Well, I don't like this one at all. Not one bit. I mean, it's good. The color's ugly. I don't like this one. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. See you guys later. Make sure you turn on post notifications, like and subscribe to my videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.